This is a potato salad recipe to try to copy a very popular potato salad recipe from my hometown. So, first of all, we're going to take about between 6 and 8 potatoes, white potatoes preferably, and peel them. Make sure everything is rinsed off. Next, we're going to cut them and cube them into approximately 3/4 inch squares. Place them in a pot of water. And then bring that water to a boil. We'll salt it a little bit to help it help the potatoes absorb the salt and bring the water to a boil a little faster. Once they're boiling, it takes approximately 9 to 10 minutes, right around in there, for the potatoes to be cooked properly. This is the most crucial part. The potatoes have to be cooked to a point where they just lose their crunch, but they're still firm. So you want to drain them as soon as they reach that point, and then cool them off with cool water to kind of stop the cooking process. Make sure they're drained thoroughly and place them in a bowl. Next, we'll cube up the eggs. Some people don't use any eggs, some people use 1 or 2. I like to use about 5 or 6. Just cut them up into little pieces like that, and then put those into the bowl as well with the potatoes. Next is about 1/2 cup of finely chopped onion. Then we have the sauce ingredients. 1/2 cup of mayonnaise. I prefer Hellman's. The secret ingredient, which is sour cream. 1/2 cup of sour cream. 1 tablespoon of white vinegar. 1 teaspoon of sugar. 1½ teaspoons of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. Mix that all together well. Make sure it's blended properly, like so. And then just pour that into the potato, egg, and onion mixture. Before we stir it all up, we're just going to sprinkle it with some celery seed to cover the top, kind of liberally. I don't like to use actual celery because I don't like things that are crunching in there. So that should do the trick, give it a celery flavor. Mix that all up. Make sure it's blended properly, blended well. Do it kind of tenderly because those potatoes are a little bit tender. Then transfer it into a bowl that you can place in the refrigerator, and it's best to cover it with some plastic or a lid and then refrigerate it, preferably overnight. Let those flavors marinate and make it as good as it can be. And that's pretty much it. And there you have it. Potato salad. Awesome.